guys, and welcome back to your girl Brittany. We are on day 4 of the embellishment box swap that I hosted over on the Coffee Cake and Crafting group. And by chance, if you missed out on groups 1 through 3, I'll have those links down below for you, as well as the link to the video of my embellishment box booklet 2.0, which is what they're supposed to create and sending in their embellishment box. So starting us off, we have, oh shoot, I just drew a blank. We have Catherine Thiessen. I just drew a major blank. Starting us out, we have Catherine Thiessen, and you can find her at Catherine Crafty Corner. Whew. Okay, Catherine Crafty Corner. But don't worry guys, I will have links to all the ladies that you have seen, and so this is how her packages come. Also in your bag you will see these separately, so you have the gem stickers and then whatever is wrapped in the tissue paper. So when you see these in your packages, ladies, that comes from Catherine, and this is how she has them packaged up. She has the tag in here that gives the information, and they are personalized. Good thing I pulled that out. And it just talks about the swap itself and who it goes to, and again, her YouTube channel is Catherine Crafty Corner. And then she also has this cool little tassel dealie with a little paint set, like a real little miniature paint set. I don't know what you're gonna do, like you're on the go, like, you know what, I feel like painting on my napkin while I'm over here in Starbucks. You know, that's just kind of how I feel. And then she did a cool little charm over here. She has a little house sticker with a little cat, and hers is easy for me to go through without messing anything up. So I'm just going to pull this open here, and this is how she has it decorated. It says, "You're incredible, wonderful, adorable, lovable, sweet, and perfectly beautiful just the way you are." Whew, Lord. We have a little princess, a little flower, and a sticker. And then just do a quick little glimpse of what's on the inside. So you have some charms, some bling, we have some flowers, jump rings, so a bunch of fun little stuff in here, some magnets. So that is what you ladies will be receiving, but stay tuned for the next person up. Alright, so next up we have Aretha, and you can find her at Made by These Hands Crafts over on Facebook. This is how her packages come, and I will say that they did not take too gently to her box, I tell you what. And it was crazy, but luckily I don't think anything with the actual swaps themselves look damaged. This did slip out, so I will fix that for Sarah before I send it off. You know what? Let me fix it right now, because it was supposed to be stapled. So boom. So this is how it comes. She has the information. It's hosted by me. She does have them personalized. Here is the back right here. And we get to take a closer look because Aretha did make one for me. So this is the one that Aretha made for me. I had the same thing with the bag topper, and it was personalized there. Look how adorable this little lion is. And it looks like she did some watercoloring, unless it came like that. Either way, it's super cute. And then she did some stamping here. It says, "Be a warrior." The cute little flower here. Very pretty floral, sunshiny bright collection. And then here's the back. And again, she's made by these hands. I'm not sure if she has like YouTube or Instagram, but that's for sure where you can find her on Facebook. And then it opens up like this, and she did create a pocket with hers and just has a little card in there for you. And then she did some little corner pieces. She did a handle, very sturdy handle at that. It's like 3 layers thick. And then she added some pearls there. And you just pull her open like this. And she matted the inside. And here is what she decorated. It says, "There's nothing more perfect than doing your best." And she created a little pocket here and then added some little tags. That's a neat idea. And then when you open her up, oh, things are popping up at me. In this first pocket, she has some coffee cup paper clips, and she has some different bling. These teeny tiny ones. Oh, so cute. And then she has the strip kind in there. So thank you so much for that. And then she added some little cute paper roses. Look at these, are flowers. So we have it in pink, white, and yellow. And then we have some beautiful flat back pearls. Again, pulling from the collection and making it all match. And then we have these cute little ticket pieces. So she did some stamping. And it says different sentiments. So kind, smile, fabulous, memories. I'm not sure what that one says. I swear, my eyeballs. Yeah, I'm not sure what that... Oh, love maybe? And then friend and dream. These are cute. And so she did, let's say she did watercoloring. You go, girl. I didn't know you could do that. And she has a yellow, the green, and then the pink. So clever. And then going down this way, came up. We have some beads, again, matching the collection, and buttons. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving these buttons, man. Look at these, cute. Love the colors. And I'm not a purple person. That purple looks cute. So thank you so much for that. And then she's also included some washi tape. Oh, and she put it on a little ring. Okay, okay. And got a little polka dot. We have like the little geometric. This one has sayings on it. And then we have the glitter gold. And then here we have like the faux sticker wax seals. So it says thank you. And then these have little crowns on them. And then here we have the teeniest, tiniest little potion bottles of sea kind of mix. Look how adorable. And then she even added a little resin flower on the top of them. Yes, girl. I'm going to get to these last. And then here she did some stamping and watercoloring. It has different sayings. So like definitions of a friend, definition of fabulous, smile. And then it says, be brave, be you, be kind. These are super cute. I really like these. But let me tell you, look at these rosettes. Now, I just managed to figure out how to do a 3/4 of an inch one. These are super tiny, and now I need to master these. These are so stinking cute. So we have Imagine, Family, Smile, says Create, Believe, and Memories. Look how absolutely adorable these are. They're so itty bitty. And I love the color she chose because this just screams spring. And I'm working on some spring happy mail, so this embellishment box will come in perfectly. So thank you so much, Aretha, for joining in on the fun and helping out lady and participating. And let's stay tuned for our last one. And wrapping up group 3, we have Sara Peatross, or Peatross. Let me know if I pronounced that right, because I hate butchering people's names. She doesn't have social media, but if you want to start out small, Instagram is a good way to go. Just throwing that out there. But anyways, these are how this is how her packages come. She has them wrapped in these clear bags, and she has some extra fun stuff and cards for everyone. And let's go ahead and take a closer look because she made one for me. All right, so this is the one that she made for me. As always, I already took it out of the packaging. And she did say that she lightly taped on the big rosette so that it can be reused. And it says Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. And I want to show her card too. It is super adorable. Really, really cute. And then she has a little seahorse with the little shell there. And it's cute tassel. Like, look at those colors. Love it. And so just remove belly. Oh, and it's faux leather. Ooh. So I'm definitely going to recycle that. So let's open it up. Ooh. So bright and colorful. Cool. Wait, how does it go? Oh, it goes this way. Okay, nice. So it's like, oh my goodness, how clever, girl. So she has like the netting that would be like at the bottom of the ocean. And then she has the little mermaid tail again with the seahorse and shell. And she has like these little pieces. I think these are from Dollar Tree. I know they come out around like Easter time. And she like algae or whatever. Like Yeah. And then she did like some tissue paper, I want to say. And just, I don't know, it's super creative what she did right here. And I love things that have a scene. I love things that like tell a story, you know, and so very, very clever. And so she has the gold glitter, and then here is the back, and then she has it tied off. It's a really thick ribbon. So we untie this and we open her up. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. So she gave some little mermaid tail stickers. And then she's also gifted some of the Little Mermaid tails. They're actually tags. And then, is this, I can't tell if that's, okay. At first I wasn't sure if that was inside or, my fingers are too fat. Oh, yeah. So we have the Little Mermaid tail. It says, let's be mermaids, with a bunch of the little bubbles. How cute. So she did a little pocket here, popped it up on dimension. And then here she did a pocket as well. Y'all ladies in the nerve to create a clear pocket, y'all. And she made it a shaker. Look how, oh, I love the whole idea of this. And she did a little drawer pull here. So let's pull her Isbin. How cute. Girl, let me say something. Look at this. Now, I don't know if she had did this like individually, or if this is like resin or what. But girl, I'm telling you, when somebody does like a theme and then takes it to the max, like that impresses the crap out of me. And I just love the idea of this. Like, kudos. And so let's open her up, and inside, that lid is heavy, boy. So inside she did some little mini envelope embellishments, and she even matted the tops. You go, girl. And then here she did a little banner, and she added little stickers on there. That's adorable. And then here she did the little tiniest little bows. Look at these. And then she did some faux leather ones. Now, I think this is the punch that she used, and I'm surprised you were able to use the faux leather in a punch. So if I'm wrong, let me know. But it's a really, really cute. And then she's also gifted some of these silver iridescent like alphas and numbers. And then look at, oh my goodness, these are too cute. And it looks like she made these. Like, not the shell itself, but like adding the color. And then the little glitter at the bottom. Shut up. I like that. That is amazing. And then here she has a dangle. Got all this fun stuff on here. We have a little starfish. Oh, that's a cute bead. And then we have the little mermaid tail. We have the little turtle there, another fish tail, and then she altered a domino with a little starfish scene and stuff right there. Super clever. And then here we have little mini tassels, and then she has a little domino charm, and she's also gifted some of the mermaid tails there. And then here we have little tags. So the world is your oyster, you are the pearl. And then she has colored a little mermaid there. And then we have, what's the, you guys know what I mean, the clam. And it's just like a cute little scene. I like that. And then we have a bigger altered domino here that she did. She did like some decoupaging on there with the little seahorse. Very clever and an awesome way to carry out a complete theme. Like, very, 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 very nice. So, guys, make sure you go show these ladies some love. Again, Sarah does not have a social media, but let's all encourage her to get one. And then make sure you also check out Made by These Hands Crafts, who is Aretha, and then also Catherine's Crafty Corner. All right, thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for the last group. Until then, bye.